All right, welcome back to another free pick video. So this is the play that we ended up playing yesterday. It was over on Betr. It was their midweek mulligan. So if we lost, we get our money back. We did end up losing. The only one that hit was Karl Anthony Towns over 21.5 points. Valanciunas, Adebayo, Anunoby, and Smith Jr. all went under their projected lineups. So we ended up losing that, but we got our $10 back. It was a risk-free play, so no harm, no foul there. So jumping into today's pick, we're playing this over on Chalkboard. You can adjust people's lineups. They are having a discount over on Giannis right now. They discounted it to 19.5 points. So the first one is we're going Giannis over 19.5 points. We're going Jonathan Kuminga over 19.5 PRA, points, rebounds, and assists. And then for the last one, we're going Michael Porter Jr. over 7.5 assists plus rebounds. So those are the three plays that I do like for tonight. So let me know down in the comments if you guys like this play or what play you guys are riding with tonight. Like always, if you need any of the links to any of these apps, they will be down in the description below. They're going to match your deposit up to $100 on most apps. Some are doing up to $500. So go and deposit some money and let's play this one tonight. Let's go cash this.